Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Lightspeed Payments to your bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Lightspeed Payments account. Locate the dashboard once you're logged in. Click on the Withdrawals tab featured in the menu. Select Manage Withdrawals from the drop-down options. You will see your current balance displayed on the screen. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw to your bank. Next, select your preferred bank account from the available options. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to do so now. Click on Add Bank Account and fill in the necessary details. Ensure that the bank account information is accurate to avoid delays. Once you have chosen your bank account, confirm the withdrawal details. Review the withdrawal amount and the bank account selected. Now, click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. A confirmation message will appear on the screen. You may receive an email confirmation regarding your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear. Withdrawals usually take a few business days to process. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section for assistance. That completes the withdrawal process from Lightspeed Payments to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.